Hi, I'm Jack. Welcome to our deep dive in Dauin. In this episode, we have Thorny Seahorse, Scorpionfish, and several species of nudibranch. The Thorny Seahorse, scientific name Hippocampus hystrix, grows up to 15 centimeters long and comes in red, yellow, or green colors with speckling. Here you can see a pair of yellow thorny seahorses attached to the same sponge. The thorny seahorse is a member of the pipe horse group, but in a separate family called Hippocampus. They have a slender body covered with thorns and a long and tapered snout. Seahorses feed by sucking small crustaceans or planktonic organisms into their mouths. Here, it ignores a fish moving around it. Seahorses change colour to blend in with their surroundings. This dive is 20 meters deep, so without my visual lights, a pink sponge would appear a light brown and similar in colour to the sand and seahorse. The male seahorse broods the eggs. A female will transfer its eggs to a pouch under a male's abdomen where it can fertilize and look after them. The raggy scorpionfish, or Scorpionfish venosa, is an ambush predator that grows up to 20 centimeters long and it blends in with its surroundings. The raggy scorpionfish was located next to the seahorses. They are ambush predators and feed on small fish and invertebrates by sucking them into their mouths. Maybe it was waiting for them to become its next meal. Scorpionfish are well camouflaged and have a dorsal fin with 12 spines which are venomous. It uses this to defend itself and has therefore very few predators. Stillager species is a sap-sucking slug that grows up to 1 centimeter long and can be white or green in colour. Stillager species is a sap-sucking slug and has a green body, translucent serrata with green digestive glands and small white spots. There are two closely spaced eyes on the front of its head, and it is perched on a blade of grass and slowly swaying with the water movement. The rhinopores allow it to smell chemicals in the water, and the serrata enable it to breathe. Dotto species is an Aeolid nudibranch that grows up to 1.5 centimeters long, and its body color can be white, brown, or purplish. Dotto species nudibranchs are normally found on a stinging hydroid on which it feeds. It transports the stinging cells to the ends of its serrata for defense. There are 3 nudibranchs on this hydroid, one of which is laying eggs, and there are also several skeleton shrimps. Dorid prismatica atromarginata is a Dorid nudibranch that grows up to 9 centimeters long, and its color can be white, creamish, or black. There is also a Hypsilodoris krakatoa nudibranch in the top left-hand corner. Both nudibranchs are feeding on sponge and absorb some of the toxins into their mantle glands for protection.